not too bad.
Saw you guys with those backpacks and all that stuff. I figured you'd be flying around here.
Oh yeah, just a little bit.
Wanted to get some good
It's just a beautiful spot out here.
Dude, you know, it is, man. It is. I see nothing wrong with it.
Heck yeah.
You have you ever lost one in there before?
I've lost one in his pond.
Oh, okay.
But not out here.
Because you're taking your chances over the. Like,
Yeah, at that point it is just a roll of the dice, and you
Is it worth it for the shot?
you just kind of got
how
to.
much you got into something like that?
The hard part is getting started, because then you got to get all this is separate.
Yeah.
So then,
if I lost, this was about 500.
Okay.
So plus the GoPro.
Oh, you're right.
So
right,
that's
right.
another.
Yeah,
300
plus
on top
Your
of that.
GoPro's your eyes.
Yeah.
I've seen it on ESPN before.
Well, no,
where they do
GoPro's
those,
actually this is the eye. This is what I look through. Here, I can show you. Actually.
Yeah.
oh, actually,
ESPN has those races
Yeah,
before.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
you know, I've seen some of that stuff where they're like,
It's exactly what they
you guys
use.
are into that kind of stuff, where like it's
See, we don't
going
race.
up through.
you like to at least watch the
Oh,
races.
I love
a little-
races. Yeah, the DRL races.
Personally, I'm more into like the freestyle, so it's more like doing tricks
Oh,
and
okay.
like
Doing your own thing.
Yeah. almost
Crazy,
like
man. Expensive habit, dude. Like,
It's expensive to get into. Once you're into it, it's not too bad.
you could do a like once you get all your other stuff,
Yeah.
you could do a budget build for
A couple
like
$100.
200-300.
yeah, just kind of, and you know how to build them too and stuff. And
Yep,
it's just-
yep.
Yeah, he built those. I bought mine, but I can't do it.
Yeah,
It's just
yeah.
easier to buy them.
You pay a premium though for getting or someone building it for you though.
Oh, for sure.
So,
If you're gonna be into something like this, just like RC cars.
It's which we
Might
have
as well
too.
learn how
that's
to-
how I got started.
Yeah.
Yep.
I just got a Traxxas a few years ago
Oh,
for
hell
my
yeah.
son and stuff. A
Yup.
4-wheel drive and.
Was
Oh,
it one of the
shit.
crawlers?
No, it's a
Okay.
Slash. It's
Okay,
a,
I got one of those too.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ignore that. That's just a risk.
It's gonna blow.
I was gonna say, if you're hanging out for a little bit, I got another screen you could actually watch from.
That's all right, man. I just going for a walk.
Yeah.
I do it sometimes. It's an awesome day too, man. It's so nice out.
Beautiful
So
out.
this is just.
Yeah, if you look through there.
Oh yeah. Okay, so that's your device.
Yep.
Oh no way. So you actually do get like a good look at that
Yep.
thing.
Yeah.
So when you're flying, you're just zooming over the.
Oh
you know,
yeah.
with,
That's part of it, what intrigues me. It's just so beautiful from
Yeah.
a different perspective. You know.
It's like being a bird.
go up high. You can see stuff.
You don't
you
normally
know.
see stuff. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
Crazy, man.
Then you go home, and the other part of the hobby is, put
Video editing.
put some music over it and kind of
Oh,
make
okay.
it,
Make a little YouTube vid or just
Yeah.
cool
Yep.
videos with tunes and stuff. Go
Yep.
to different spots. Yeah, that's cool, man. Well, sweet. Enjoy you guys. Enjoy your flying time here.
Definitely.
Have fun. Yeah. Perfect day.